So I know it's been a minute since I've made a video, and I'm sorry about that. I've just kind of been busy and stuff. But, so I'm going to just kind of be doing whatever, and just showing you whatever I do today. I'm about to go out and do chores. It's currently like 7:32, but today is Sunday, and I usually let myself sleep until 7 on Sundays because I get up at 6 on regular days. But today my cat Yzma was in here with me and she started meowing and she woke me up at 6:30. So I got up at 6:30 this time. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready because it's cold outside and we're gonna go feed some animals. Okay, so I came in here where it was a little more quiet. Probably isn't that much. So we're out of all the feed right now, except the pig. Oh, we still have maybe a day, maybe 2 days worth of cow feed, and then today and 2 days worth of pig feed, and then chicken feed we're out of. The dogs still have a whole bag of food that I opened, I think a day ago, or no, 2 days ago. But the only thing that I have to take back there now is pig feed, because Rosie is up in the other field, which I take hay up to her. I don't bring feed because I don't want her to get into a habit of where that's where she's going to get her feed. She has to come down here to get her feed, and she hasn't, so she's just getting hay because there's a lot of grass up there still. Not a lot, but there's some grass up there. More than there was in the field that she wasn't. And she's just eating that, so she's fine. The chickens think that they're going to get fed, but they're not because they're out of the pen right now. But I don't know what I'm going to do about that because the dogs have to go up or come out. Okay, I got the pig feed, so let's go. I actually have to check on the chicken that Coda attacked the other day. She was... Baby. She's not doing too good. Maybe she's just cold. I'm gotta get away to get some more shavings in here for them. I just don't have any. She was okay yesterday. I think she's hitting a little more on the downside today. But yeah, we're just gonna see how it goes. Good morning, pigs. Oh my gosh. It's got one of the puppies today. How are you, my baby? Huh? Yeah? Okay. So now I have to water the pigs. I come in here to get hot water because it's frozen outside. It's like 29 degrees, and the high today is like 47, so it's a little chilly. So yeah, I have to give him hot water. Hi, Willie. This is my baby. Yeah, he's a good boy. Okay. It is just so pretty up here, besides it being so cold. It's so pretty. I love coming up here in the morning. It's like my favorite thing to do. It really helps my day, just being able to be out here and all of this. I just love it. It's really cold this morning, and I don't have any gloves, so my hands are cold. So I'll probably just go back to the house. But it's so pretty up here. I'm gonna drive over here. I love listening to the birds. And the sun is really bright this morning. It's been really cloudy the last few days. Or last week or so, I guess. And I really enjoy cloudy days. Those are probably my favorite. There aren't any birds right now since it's December. You don't hear them. And I love the leaves on the trees. I really do like winter. Winter is my favorite. Because when there's no leaves on the trees, you can just see everything. And I love it. It's really pretty. All there is crows right now, so there's not any birds. Crows, crows, crows. But being able to come up here in the mornings is just like, I'm really grateful for it. It's just pretty, especially since the sun's up today, but I still would have preferred cloudy anytime. The sun's keeping this side of my face warm. This side of my face is, it's in the North Pole right now. It's cold. So my camera's probably gonna freeze. It's wonderful. So I'm probably about to head back to the house. And I have to get the dogs water. I'm gonna have to put those chickens up for a little bit so I can let the dogs out. And then I have to crochet a couple orders. And then we'll go from there, I guess. Guys, it is cold enough that the pond is frozen. Oh my gosh. Our pond is pitiful because these last 3 years we've had a really bad drought, so our pond is like dried up, and I'm really sad. I want to cry. I have cried about it, but it's ice. Oh my gosh. I haven't seen ice on this pond in who knows how long. Like, let's see how hard it is. Let's get this over here. I think this will do, yeah? Okay. Oh, so hard. It doesn't look very hard, it's just pretty.